The Simplicity offers the latest in cutting-edge microelectronics, cosmetics, and comfort. During this brief video, we will demonstrate how to operate, wear, and properly maintain your new device. Before you start using your Simplicity, let's get familiar with the various operating components. The retention cord, the sound port with dome tip, the earhook micro tube, the microphone port, the speech and noise switch, the volume control, and the battery compartment. Your Simplicity accessory kit comes with everything necessary for you to start experiencing a new world of hearing right away. A size number 10 zinc air battery for each instrument, the travel pouch, the cleaning tool, an instruction manual, and this quick start video. Now that you're familiar with the Simplicity, let's learn how to use it. We recommend that whenever you install a new battery to do so over a towel. This prevents the battery from rolling away should you accidentally drop it. Remove the battery from its packaging and peel off the paper activation tab. Notice that the flat side of the battery has a plus sign stamped on it. Hold the Simplicity device on its side between the thumb and fingers. Carefully swing open the battery door. Insert the battery so that the plus sign stamped on the battery is facing you. Due to the small size of the battery, you may find it easier to install the battery by using the magnetic tip on the brush. Once the battery is installed, gently close the battery door. If the battery is installed incorrectly, the battery door will not close. To ensure your Simplicity is functioning properly, let's conduct a simple sound test. While holding the sides of the Simplicity between your thumb and forefingers, rotate the volume control clockwise until it stops. The volume is now full on. Gently cup the device in your hand and hold it close to your ear. You should hear a high-pitched sound called feedback. If you don't hear anything, check to ensure that the battery is correctly installed, the door is fully closed, and the volume is on the full-on position. If you don't hear any whistling, then you may need to try a fresh battery. Or call for assistance toll-free at 877-763-8327. Return the device to the off position by rotating the volume control in a counterclockwise position. Each device is identified by either a blue or red colored mark at the base of the sound port. Red is for the right ear and blue is for the left. With the sound port dome pointed towards your ear canal, insert the sound port dome into your ear canal and gently push it into place using your forefinger. You may need to use your other hand to gently pull the top of your ear while doing this. Once the sound port is inserted into the ear canal, place the body just behind the top of the ear. Slip the retention cord into the base of your ear. When correctly installed, this is the way Simplicity will look in your ear. If you hear a whistling sound or feedback, gently push on the device to ensure that it's properly seated or slightly turn down the volume. To remove the Simplicity from your ear, simply grasp the tubing between your thumb and forefinger and slowly pull it out while lifting over the ear. Each evening, wipe the device clean with a soft tissue or small towel. If needed, use the cleaning tool to clear the sound port of any blockage. To use the cleaning tool, slowly insert the filament end of the tool into the sound port of the sound port dome. Push in and out while using a slight twisting motion several times. When not in use, we recommend that you open the battery door and store your device in the soft travel pouch. Be sure to keep Simplicity out of the reach of children and animals. Keep your Simplicity away from heat sources such as hair dryers or car glove compartments. Do not wear while showering or swimming, and avoid getting hairspray on it. Should you experience any operating problems with the Simplicity, refer to the owner's manual for troubleshooting tips, or if technical support is still needed, call toll-free 877-763-8327. Simplicity will not restore your hearing. However, Simplicity can enhance your hearing ability in numerous day-to-day situations. Try to wear your Simplicity device every day. It may take some time to adjust to hearing certain sounds again. We think that you'll find Simplicity brings an enriched quality of life through better hearing.